Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Corolla Ascent hatch, stock reference number 5732. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 10th month 2013. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, front bumper cover, right-hand headlight does have sun cracks, left-hand headlight also has sun cracks, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand taillight, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent and a light fold on the bottom edge, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.